Hey Scotty, how you doing? This is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for your company, Scotty's Electric, and basically for your website and your online presence. Now, I do these custom videos to separate myself from all the millions of other marketers out there who promise an arm and a leg. So in this one, I'm going to give you just a few things in a short, about 5-minute video, which can definitely boost your business immediately. Now, these are some tips and techniques you can use on your own, or if you don't have the time, you can just call me back. I can help you with these as well. So I'll just be talking about 3 things in this video. It'll be about 5 minutes only. That'll help you boost your website and your online presence by implementing those things. So to get started, I'm on your website. I'll be talking about the home page only today. Now, before I even get into that, I just want to show you this thing right here. You see where it says not secure? Now, this is something called the Ssl Certificate. Now, you really want to make sure that's secure, because for Google and your customers, it's not good, because neither your data or anybody who comes to this website, their data is going to be secure. And that's some people get deterred by that. So you want to make sure you get that secured. Whichever company you're hosting your website or your domain from, or if you're using a website market maker, you can tell them to make sure your website's secure. Secondly, I would recommend you buy a domain name which is not a bunch of numbers. So the reason for that is pretty simple. Like, for example, your name is Scotty's Electric Service, so you could just put like scottyselectric.com. So if you have the word electric inside your domain name, it's actually gonna be relevant to the industry and help your website outrank others as well. Nextly, on the home page, what I want to talk about is content. So Google likes to see around 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page itself. Now, that is going to be keyword rich content, meaning whatever keywords you're trying to target and rank for, you want to put that inside the website. So you have some words here and some pictures, but you definitely need a lot more. And just by adding content alone, it's gonna boost your website by a lot. So with no words, it's just having a website out there just sitting with millions of other websites. So by putting in keyword rich content, it's really going to be picked up by Google. Nextly, I want to talk to you about citations. I'll show you what I use to determine that. I use this software right here. It's a paid service. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put your business name, address, and phone number. Now, most of the times you can put your information on something like Yelp.com, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor. These are called online directories. So the more you have, the better. So these are some of the top New York City competitors. It works the same in every area. Long Island, everywhere works the same. So this is like, you see, like some people have 20, some people have 19. You want to have a lot. You want to have 50 or more. So to beat your competition and stay way ahead of them. Thirdly, I want to talk to you about backlinks. For backlinks, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. It tells me a lot what I need to know about any website. So basically, a backlink is any website pointing to your website, bringing traffic to your website, linking to your website. It's basically the more other websites you can get to point to you, they're going to make your website more popular with Google and other search engines. And backlinks, you see I'm on your website right here. Currently you have 19 backlinks from 8 different referring domains. You're targeting one keyword, but right now it's not bringing you any traffic at all. No traffic coming to your website. So it's just sitting there. To compare this with another website which is actually bringing a decent number of leads every single month, I'll show you these guys right here. So as you can see, they have 381 backlinks from 47 different domains. They're targeting about 400 keywords, and they're getting about 500 to 600 organic traffic every single month. So this is where you want to be, and even above that number as well. Let me go back to yours. So all that, the people visiting your page are eventually going to turn into leads, which are going to turn into paying customers. That's what you want. Lastly, let me show you just a simple Google search. So when somebody searches for electricians, basically they're going to see this in whatever area they search for. This is what they're going to see, this basic format. So on top of the Google first page format, you'll see these companies. They're called Google Guaranteed Ads. They pay to be on top of that spot. After that, you'll see these older Google ads. These are also paid. After that, you'll see this Google My Business, GMB, or as we call it, a Google Map Pack. I think it's pretty imperative for any business to be on this top 3 spots of this Google Map Pack, whichever area you're trying to target. You can even target multiple areas. So if your website needs work, while that's being done, you can definitely be on here. Now, as I told you about those citations earlier, if you have a bunch of those, your business can end up here on the top 3 spots. A lot of customers use this because they go on their mobile phones and they just click the button right there, call the business, and they become customers. After that, we go into this organic section. This is how websites rank organically over time. If you do your SEO, which is search engine optimization, correctly, it's pretty fast. You got Yelp here, and you got Expertise, Home Advisor, and those other ones. But in between all these, you actually have real websites which land on the first page of Google. Now, statistics tell us 95% of people click on the first page. That means they're not going on the second, third, or fourth page. They're just picking a company from the first page. That's where you want to be at. That's where you'll get tons of new customers every single month without spending extra on ads or anything else. So that's I try to keep the video short. I wanted to tell you, you can use all the things I told you today yourself, or if you want a better in-depth plan, give me a call. I'd love to work with you and get your company #1 on Google and on all these other platforms as well to make your business grow tenfold. With that, I do plan to give you a call in a day or two just to get your feedback on what you thought about the video. It was great making this video. You take care, Scotty.